Hey everyone, Michael Bodner coming to you live with another Tesla Tunity, and today I'd like to show you how this little ring is going to give you worry-free public charging wherever you go. So come with me and check it out. All right, so you find yourself in a parking garage that has a nice Clipper Creek J1772, a public charger, and you want to get some juice for your car. So you plug it in, and in your experience, you've used a supercharger, a destination charger, you've plugged in at home, and you've noticed when the car's locked, there's no way to get the charger disconnected. So you think you're safe, your car is going to charge nicely while you're out shopping, dining, doing whatever it is you're doing. Well, unfortunately, with a public charger with your adapter, that's not the case. You see the car is locked right now, and all someone has to do is lift the handle and they can disconnect you from charging. You'll see the car will even go ahead and try to close itself right on your adapter. It'll pop back up and realize something's wrong. So that's what this little piece of plastic I was telling you about is. This is from Evanex. It's called the Capture Pro Charge Lock. And with this, you're going to be able to put this onto your adapter and then use this to lock down the handle in place. So let me get you a close-up. I'll show you exactly how it works, and you'll be safe when you're public charging. So here we go. Let's get you another angle. We'll get you in close on this. All right, so let's go ahead and show you how easy it is. All we're going to do is connect the J1772 adapter, and before we plug it in, we're going to take our charge ring here, our Capture Pro, and we're going to rotate it. So you can see now I've got this on. I can press the handle, but it won't lift up high enough to, as you can see right there, it won't lift up high enough to release. And now we're going to push it into the car. All right, you can see we're charging now. And let's go ahead and try to stop charging. All right, and just like in our example before, I'm going to walk over, I'm going to try to release, and unfortunately I can't. You can see it disrupted charging, but again, as I let go, it starts charging once again. All right, when we're done charging, we can hit stop charging on the screen or on our app. The light will turn white briefly, then blue again. So what I've noticed is you kind of have to click on the J1772, release, make sure you hold on to this with your other hand so it doesn't go flying, and that's it, you're all set. All right, well that's it. That's the Capture Pro Charge Lock from Evanex. Again, don't leave home without it. I myself just got back from a road trip at Disney World where we relied heavily on charge points. And though nothing bad happened, I would be lying if I said I didn't have a fear that somebody would disconnect me while I was in the theme park. And that would just, there was a supercharger along the way to get home, but I didn't have to stop if I got the full charge at the park. And I was lucky, nothing bad happened, but honestly, every Tesla owner should have this product. Don't leave home without it. I'll have a link in the description down below to take you right to the Evanex link to check it out. They've got a video that shows exactly how it looks, but I'll kind of give you a close-up here and give you one more look at it. You could see all of the different inserts here in the ring are different sizes. So basically, this is made to work with any of the J1772s that are out there. It'll fit properly between your adapter and the charger, and you'll charge worry-free. If you like this video and you'd like to see others like it, please always remember to subscribe to my channel, comment and like my videos. I read all of your feedback and I hope you've seen that it's helped make big improvements to our channel over the last couple months. If you're interested in purchasing a Model S, Model 3, or Model X, brand new of course, you can qualify for a 6-month free supercharging credit. All you have to do is use my referral code, Michael34469. If you haven't made your purchase yet, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description down below. It'll automatically apply the referral code to your order. You'll be all set. For those of you who have recently ordered and you're awaiting delivery, you can give that code, Michael34469, over to your delivery advisor and they'll take care of everything.